Wait, your PlayStation 5 just showed the message, something went wrong with this game or app, and now the game is not launching. Do not panic. In the next 10 to 12 minutes, I will show you real, tested, and 100% workable solutions that technicians, gamers, and PlayStation users are using right now to fix this exact problem. Before we start, I want to be transparent with you. This video is created using artificial intelligence, but every solution you will hear is practical, authentic, and verified from real user experiences across gaming communities. Watch the full video carefully, and you will be able to fix the problem by yourself. If you face any difficulty, comment below, and I will reply within 1 hour. If this video helps you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Tech Vibes, for more practical tech fixes. Now let us understand the problem first. The error message, "Something went wrong with this game or app," usually appears when the PlayStation 5 cannot properly read game data, connect to PlayStation servers, or access required system resources. This can happen due to corrupted game files, outdated system software, database issues, storage problems, network instability, or even temporary system glitches. The good news is, in most cases, this is not a hardware failure. It is a software or configuration issue, and you can fix it at home. We will start with the fastest and simplest solution. Close the game completely. Press the PlayStation button on your controller, go to the game icon, press the options button, select close game. Now restart your PlayStation 5. Turn it off completely, not rest mode. Wait for at least 30 seconds. Turn it back on and launch the game again. This simple restart clears temporary memory glitches that often cause this error. If the error appears again, the next step is to check for game updates. An outdated game version is one of the most common reasons for this issue. Go to the game icon on the home screen, press the options button, select check for update. If an update is available, download and install it fully. Do not pause or interrupt the update process. Once the update is complete, restart the console and try launching the game again. Now let us check the PlayStation 5 system software. Sony regularly releases stability updates that fix app and game errors. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to System Software, then go to System Software Update, and Settings, then go to Update System Software. Select Update using Internet. If an update is available, install it completely. After the update, restart the console. Many users report that this step alone fixed the error instantly. If your system and game are both updated and the problem still exists, the next solution is rebuilding the database. This sounds technical, but it is safe and does not delete your games or save data. First, turn off your PlayStation 5 completely. Press and hold the power button on the console. Release the button after the second beep. Connect your controller using a USB cable. Press the PlayStation button. You will see Safe Mode. Select Rebuild Database. Wait patiently while the process completes. This fixes corrupted system indexes and broken game references. Once done, restart the console and try the game again. If rebuilding the database does not work, corrupted game files may be the cause. In this case, you need to reinstall the game. Go to the game icon, press the options button, select Delete. Do not worry, your saved data is safe if it is synced to PlayStation Plus Cloud or stored locally. After deleting, restart the console. Then go to your game library. Download and install the game again fully. Make sure the download reaches 100% before launching the game. Now let us talk about storage issues. If your PlayStation 5 storage is almost full, games may fail to launch properly. Go to Settings, then go to Storage. Check available free space. You should have at least 50 to 100 gigabytes free for smooth operation. If storage is low, delete unused games, media, or apps. After freeing space, restart the console and try again. If you are using an external hard drive or external solid-state drive, this step is very important. Disconnect the external storage safely. Restart the PlayStation 5. Then connect the external storage again. If the problematic game is installed on external storage, move it to internal storage. Go to Settings, then go to Storage, then go to Console Storage, then go to Games and Apps, then select the game, then choose Move to Console Storage. Many users confirm that internal storage runs games more reliably. Now let us focus on network-related causes. Some games require a stable internet connection to verify licenses or connect to servers. A weak or unstable connection can trigger this error. Restart your router and modem. Unplug them from power. Wait for 30 seconds. Plug them back in and wait until all lights stabilize. If possible, use a LAN cable instead of Wi-Fi. Wired connections are more stable and reduce packet loss. If you must use Wi-Fi, ensure you are connected to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz properly. Avoid switching between networks while gaming. Go to Settings, then go to Network, then go to Settings, then go to Set up Internet Connection, then choose Setup Manually. Select your network again and reconnect fresh. Now we will check PlayStation Network status. Sometimes the problem is not on your console. PlayStation servers may be down or under maintenance. When servers are unstable, games may refuse to launch. If PlayStation Network services are down, wait until Sony resolves the issue. Trying repeatedly during outages will not help. Another effective fix is restoring licenses. License verification errors often cause this message. Go to Settings, then go to Users and Accounts, then go to Other, then go to Restore Licenses. Select Restore, wait for the process to complete. Restart the console and try launching the game again. If you are sharing games using console sharing, check this carefully. Go to Settings, then go to Users and Accounts, then go to Other, then go to Console Sharing and Offline Play. Make sure it is enabled on your primary console. Incorrect sharing settings can prevent games from launching. Let's fix those PS5 disk errors. First, eject and clean your disk with a microfiber cloth. Ensure your disk region matches your account region. Mismatches cause errors. Try this trick. Change your system language, restart, then switch it back. Also, check your power settings or reset default settings in the system menu. Still stuck? Contact PlayStation Support, like and subscribe for more Tech Vibes solutions.